eBay manages the end-to-end selling and buying experience, including payments. As an eBay seller, you sell and manage your transactions all in one place. What does this mean for you and your business? First, it's convenient. You can access everything you need in one place. Sellers receive consolidated reports, simplified protections, payout scheduling options daily or weekly, fortnightly or monthly, and you'll pay a final value fee for items you sell on eBay, and no third-party payment processing fees. Second, your buyers get new choices in how they want to pay, including credit and direct debit, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and others, depending on which eBay site your listings appear. Payouts for your sales on eBay are sent directly into your bank account, so you'll no longer have to transfer funds from a third-party account. With one place for customer support and dispute resolution, you'll save time. You'll also be able to easily post internationally with a global shipping program, which takes care of customs, taxes, and import-export fees. If you offer to ship internationally, your listings may surface on supported international sites, and you may be able to create listings on supported eBay sites. Finally, when you sell on eBay, you get expert customer service support whenever you need help. eBay managing payments is essential to deliver an enhanced buying and selling experience on eBay.